What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach and Chase. We are out here unboxing one of our absolute best selling products. We have literally sold thousands of this unit all around the world in the previous iteration. So what are we going to be unboxing? This is a specialty in-ceiling, primarily in-ceiling. I'll get into the reason why here shortly. Enclosure for the Sonos wireless speakers. These little wireless speakers that I'm sure you have sitting all around your house right now, you can actually hide them. So in today's video, we're going to be taking it out of the box, showing some of the functionality, as well as the product itself and how the Era 100 slides into this enclosure. Previously, we had the Play One, the One, and the SL models available in a separate enclosure, which that unit is still for sale. But we have received the new model from our friends at Fruition Designs. These are 3D molded enclosures that are UL listed, rated to go in your wall, and allow you to inset your speaker inside of it with a magnetic grill and keep everything up to code. The voice control still works. All the functionality of the speaker still works, and it doesn't prohibit the sound quality either. If you guys are interested in purchasing this product or anything home theater related, reach out today for a free video consultation with one of our specialists, or head over to our website and shop online. All right, guys, let's open this puppy up. All right, welcome back, Dreamedia family. We're gonna go ahead and pull this product out and show it to you up close and personal. So at first glance, it just looks like your everyday in-ceiling speaker, right? Pretty typical back box that's 3D molded, except for there's no magnet structure, no woofer, no speaker. It's strictly an enclosure. Let me bring it up close for you guys. So check this out, guys. The speaker literally just slips right into this enclosure. As you can see, there's little dog legs right here, and on the other side that allow you to actually retain the speaker inside, and it holds it in place for ceiling applications. If you look on the back side here, you can see this is where your high voltage electricity comes in, your Romax cable, because these will be hardwired into your home's electrical system. If you're not a licensed electrician or not a avid DIY person working on your own home, I would recommend contacting an electrician for installation. But it's very, very simple. You cut a hole, and you can see there's dog legs right here to catch the sheetrock. The whole cutout is provided in the box. So you get some paperwork with the product, and there's a template. As you guys can see, template. We do have these for the Play One, the One, and the SL models, in addition to the new Era 100, which is the model we're checking out today. They are two separate SKUs though, guys. When you go on our website to purchase, make sure you ensure that you're getting the version for the Play One, the One, or the SL, which is a separate model from this, which is the E1 for the Era 100.
So in the box with the cutout template, you get your installation guide. This is for the SL1, but depending on which model you get that installation guide. So on the front of the back page here, we've got our legend that goes through every aspect, what mounts to the speaker, the dog ears that are grabbing the wall, where your Romex comes in, how the speaker wires, and then a really nice step-by-step instruction guide on how to tackle this install yourself as a DIYer.
Yeah, it's actually super easy, guys. I mean, I've put out a video on installing a couple of these in my own home, and really, it's like putting in a power receptacle is how I would explain it. It's no different. It's just your white, your neutral, your hot, your black, and your ground come straight in here. You pop off this. Inside of here, they actually have WAGO connectors that are very quick and easy. You just slide the high voltage wire right into the WAGO connector, put this little plate back on, insert the speaker and then flip the switch to receive speaker power. Here's an example of the WAGO connectors I'm talking about. All right, next we're going to demonstrate how to put the speaker into the enclosure. Keep in mind, you would cut your hole first, insert this into the ceiling, and then these dog legs will pop out and crimp between this little lip and your sheetrock, holding it firmly in place. Now we're going to demonstrate the speaker going into the enclosure.
So right here it's attached to the box, and it looks just like the power connection that comes with your Sonos speaker. So you'll just plug that in. It makes sure your speaker's facing the right way too, makes that nice and easy. And this guy you just kind of work him back to the back of the box there. Kick out your little inside dog ears for holding the speaker securely. And there you go. If this is already wired up and ready to go, I would click that power on and we're ready to go.
Yeah, it's pretty incredible, guys. And what's nice is we've tested that the voice control still works. Now, I know a lot of you guys are probably asking the question, if you have the SL, the One, or the Play One models, how do you hit the button on the back in case it needs to be paired or any service needs to be done to it? Well, what's really nice is on those models, there's a button here on the front, and I did a separate unboxing video on that model that actually reaches around and allows the button to hit that command on the back of the unit. So you don't actually have to pop out the unit. Pretty cool. In upcoming videos, guys, we're gonna be taking this product into a room upstairs here and installing it as actual surround sound. You know, with these Sonos speakers, you can configure it as mono, stereo, or now they have the new functionality of pairing it together with a Sonos Arc and Sonos subs for a surround sound experience. Be careful. Not quite strapped in yet. So stay tuned for those upcoming videos, guys. This is an amazing unit, and I can't tell you how thankful I am for everybody's support from around the world on this model. We are their exclusive distributor, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. All my custom integrators out there that have been buying 20, 30, 50 of these units at a time, thank you. We do offer special incentives for all of our CI guys out there. So reach out today if you're interested in purchasing this product. You can throw a few of these on your truck. All my customers out there, these are perfect for rooms that you don't really need a ton of audio. I actually put this model in my son's bathroom because it's just a tiny little bathroom. No need for like stereo audio. I couldn't run speaker wire to the room because the home was already built. So I was able to add audio that connects together with the rest of the home very easily to his bathroom by just popping in one of these enclosures, putting it up on the ceiling, and now it's not cluttering up the counters. Previously, every single day, it was sitting right there on the counter in the corner, getting hit with toothpaste and water and just taking up space. So it makes the room look cleaner and it performs exceptionally well. One last thing, guys, is we would like to demonstrate what the product looks like in its finished with the grill on look. So grill off, grill on. And keep in mind, additionally, we do sell separately square grills, which I do have installed up in the primary bedroom in wall. I did also want to discuss one other installation related thing, which is stud bay placement. These can go in any ceiling for the most part, as long as there's not something blocking it. Most ceiling joists have plenty of room. Where you run into issues within wall is if you have standard 2x4 placement. If you have 2x4 walls, this is not going to go in the wall. It's too deep. Keep that in mind. I talked about that extensively in my installation video where I did put it in the wall. I had 2x6 framing, and I had the additional space to put it in the wall. But if you don't have 2x6 framing on your walls, it's not going to work. I think additionally, Chase would like to share some installation tips on wiring high voltage.
Yeah, so if you move into a house or it's your house you've been in and it's not pre-wired, running speaker wire from a centralized rack to the far end of the home gets extreme.
It could literally, you could spend thousands and thousands of dollars just repairing sheetrock.
Just on the sheetrock, not the AV installation, not the wire cost, the amp.
Because I know a lot of the guys are in the comments going, I would have just ran speaker wire. Well, also, let's keep in mind, sometimes it's not even possible.
Yeah. Like in my house, it's 20 years old. It is a mess trying to get through my walls. This is a great solution. This allows you to tie into an outlet or a switch as long as you come on the load of the switch before it gets to the switch. You wire your Romex in, and then you're pulling Romex up the side of a wall, which is usually a straight shot up to the ceiling, one hole.
Usually. In my son's bathroom, I had 2 fire breaks.
Ooh.
And actually, I showed you guys in that video, we'll drop the link right up here. I showed in that video how I got through those fire breaks, but it was interesting because I was like, this is gonna be an easy install. And I'm like, follow along, guys. And then I immediately hit a fire break. And I'm like, well, I guess we're leaving this on camera. And I show you guys how to get through those fire breaks. But like he said, typically you're not going to.
Yeah, and if you're from parts of the country, we're not really privy to attic space here up in the Rockies, but
down in Texas,
yeah,
or
up in the basement attic space, as soon as you get that Romex up into the ceiling, you're pretty much done.
Keep in mind, a lot of you guys have like service outlets in your attic, right near your
service outlet, and no drywall repairs at that point. Just cut this in and you're ready to go.
Another thing that a lot of my guys are doing around the country, my integrators, is they're selling these to the homeowners for small rooms like bathrooms and closets and things like that. We're putting it in the new construction phase. And then all they have to do is pop the speaker in whenever they move in.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you like this video, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach and Chase with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.